This is Michael Snapke, chef consultant with Culinary Depot. I'm here today to talk to you about the Vitamix the Quiet One 36019 commercial food service blender. As a chef consultant, I get questions asked all the time. How do I get a quieter blender? Or what's the best blender? So number one, the best in the industry is the Vitamix Quiet One blender. And why is it a quiet one? Well, because of this plastic. Sound deadening top. Right? With Vitamix, they are the leader in the industry and the forerunners in this type of technology. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're actually going to make you a Mocha Frappuccino that you see at coffee shops, that you see at cafes, that they use the Vitamix commercial blender for. And again, this is the quiet one. So what we're going to demonstrate to you is how that sound deadening helps in terms of your operation and how it will help you. So number one, we're going to start with some ice in our blender. We're going to have some milk, some coffee, some chocolate syrup, some organic raw cane sugar, and then of course to top it off you got to have some whipped cream. About 2 cups of ice. It's a bonus for the garbage. Okay. And then this is whole milk. You can use any type of milk you want, skim, almond. This is some strong coffee, freshly brewed. We let it cool a little bit. You don't want to put hot coffee into your blender. That'll create a mess. We put our lid on here, which is going to seal it, so that's why it's a little harder to get on, which is nice. Okay. We simply put the container back, close the sound deadening. Now there are 6 programs here, so what you can do is you can make different timing for different recipes, because this commercial blender has settings that you can make it easier for your employees. All right, so we're going to put it on setting 1 right now, and you're going to see, as far as the blender goes, that's about as quiet as it gets. So when you're real busy, you have a place with smaller ceilings, you're in Manhattan, you have a high volume, maybe you have 3 of these in a row, it's not going to be as loud as if you didn't have the sound deadening. So it's actually worth every penny. So see, now it stopped. We put it on our program on number 1. Take it out, and we have a Mocha Frappuccino. A little lumpy. The program could use a little tweaking. Top it with some whipped cream and chocolate sauce, cinnamon, whatever you want, and it was just that easy. To find out more about this and all of our other products, click on the link below or visit us on the web at www.culinarydepotinc.com.